Back to Savvy Serena. Today's grocery haul. The first one is from Walmart. I spent $69.74, and this is what I got. I got Honey Nut Cheerios. My stepdaughter keeps wanting me to buy it, so I did. We were out of the microwave popcorn, so I got that. Some saltine for crackers for potato soup. Crinkle cut French fries for hamburgers and chicken sandwiches. I bought some black pepper, onion, some minced garlic. I just thought that would be easier. Bought some cinnamon rolls for Sunday because they're calling for some snow. So I thought that might be fun to fix. Almond milk for my stepdaughter. I decided to change up my creamer, and I got the French vanilla. I'd never seen it before, so I'll be trying that for the first time. But add some salad. He goes through a couple of bags of salad a week. He absolutely loves it. And I bought him some of these chili cheese corn chips to go in his lunch this week. Some turkey bacon. I'm going to be making a potato soup. My husband had a heart attack, I don't know, in 2012, I think, something like that, and he can't have beef. He doesn't have beef unless he goes out, but he can have turkey bacon, so I got that for the potato soup. I bought 2 things of chicken broth. I'll probably use this one. I bought this as extra just in case, so I wouldn't run out. I bought some niblets for another side. Bought some shredded cheese for my stepdaughter. She says she likes cheese in her salads. I got some peas and carrots. That's my husband's favorite. I got a couple of bags of sugar for our coffee and tea. I bought me some, these are like Ritz crackers or whatever, but the off-brand. I like peanut butter crackers for a snack if I want a little something, but nothing major. So I bought some of them. I got some instant mashed potatoes, and my stepdaughter requested some of these pecan spin wheels. I don't know if you've ever had those. Put those in the microwave with a little butter on top and a cup of coffee. It's amazing. I bought a couple of things of Dr. Thunder for my husband. I bought some mints. My stepdaughter requested this for her contacts, and she wanted this for body wash. And I got a pocketbook. They had them on clearance. It's originally $13, and it was on clearance for $9. I thought it was really cute. So I needed a more wintry looking purse, so that'll work. It's from a new grocery store that is in the town that we shop in, and I decided to go check them out. I didn't buy as much there because some of the stuff now I realized was a little bit more than what I would pay at Walmart, but I got chicken breast for a recipe that is coming up called No Time to Cook Chicken that I'm going to be showing y'all. It is really super easy and simple to do. So I have some frozen chicken breasts, but I needed just a few more. So that was only $3.17. This was a really good buy on russet potatoes. They had 5-pound bag of russet potatoes for $1.25. I could not beat it. That was a really good buy. Some green onions for 69 cents. They're a little, let me take them out of the bag. They're not in the best, they don't look the best. Now, someone said that this store is locally grown, and that might be why they don't look the best, but that's okay because you can take green onions just like you do a regular onion and cut them up and put them in the freezer and pull them out as you need them. So that's what I'm actually cut these up today and put them in the freezer. Then that way I'll have them when I want them. I got some turnip greens. Not turnip greens. I got some turnips. Have y'all ever had turnips before? Oh my stars, people. If you've never had turnips, you need to try it. If you like fried potatoes, you can cut turnips in with regular potatoes, and you won't really, tell the difference. It is really good. But I got all this for $2.16. It was 89 cents a pound. It was cheaper than Walmart. And I bought 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese. This was more expensive than Walmart. And it's called Our Family. I guess, I don't know if that's their store brand name. I'm not sure. But that was more than what I would have paid for the Food Line brand. So I spent $9.89 there. Then I have one more. I was at Dollar Tree. I got a card for my son because he turned 20 actually yesterday, and he's coming down this weekend. I like these little notepads that you can get at Dollar Tree that's magnetic. These are what I use on the refrigerator to keep track of our grocery list, and I used my complete pad, completely done, so I went looking and I found this one. I thought it was cute with all the coffee cups and tea cups and the teapot. So I figured I'd get that for our grocery list. And I bought some of the hand sanitizer. I hope this works. I'm going to be going to a nursing home this next coming week, several times a week. And with the flu season, I don't want to spread any germs or anything like that going into the nursing home. So I bought this to keep in my purse to sanitize my hands, to make sure I'm not bringing anything in. If y'all have ever used it, you know, let me know if it works. Because this is what I'm going to, I don't know what the lemon smell is going to smell like. But it does say 70% ethanol alcohol. So I hope that does sanitize. I hope I haven't wasted my money on this, and I hope it works. So let me know in the comments below if you know if this really works, or, you know, or what your thoughts are on it. So that's today's haul. I have 3, not completely a grocery haul, but, and the reason why I didn't buy as many meats this week, I don't like to buy what we don't need, and I won't buy what we don't need. So I had 4 dinners already that I can prepare for the next coming week. Excuse me. So I wasn't going to purchase any more food when I know I've got those 4 meals that I can make. Okay, thanks guys. Y'all come back now. Y'all here?